Hi guys, I'm Paterson. I'm a logo designer, hand lettering artist, YouTube content creator, and an author. It doesn't matter if you're a large or small business or even just a one-person powerhouse, having an online store is essential for reaching a wider base of customers. And no matter what kind of products or services you're selling, Squarespace is the perfect place to start your online store. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can list items for sale, write up descriptions, and how you can get paid by people, collecting payments. Now, who doesn't like getting paid? To begin, let's look at some of my products that I've got listed on my store. A product listing page is the start of your store layout where you can add products and goods. Clicking on an item will open the product description page, which includes the product description, multiple images to view, and an option to purchase. To add a product to your product listing page, we'll go into Pages and click on the plus icon. So let's click on Products. Give your product page a title. Click on the plus button one more time and select the type of product you're selling. All of my items can be downloaded once purchased, so I'm going to choose Digital Product. In the next window, you'll be able to click on the product description page, which will provide all of the information about the item in one place. In the Item tab, you can add images of your product, the title, price, and short description. Squarespace also allows you to add multiple images of your products, which gives customers a more detailed look and may lead them to purchase. A really useful feature for your online store is the ability to add tags and categories, which helps organize all of your products. This allows your visitors to navigate to other items you may sell by clicking on the category navigation link or by searching for a tag. Once you're ready, hit save and publish. This sets your product as available for purchase. Well, I hope this video helped kickstart your online store. If you did enjoy this video, subscribe to Squarespace's channel to view more how-to videos from me. Let me know in the comments down below what products you're planning on selling, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.